This cooking and nutrition portion brought to you by Save-On Foods.
Registered holistic nutritionist Julia Olton always has great recipes to share. Let's see what she's got today on the show. Julia, welcome to Empowered Health.
Thank you for having me. We're going to do some barbecued shrimp,
Okay.
but we're going to marinate them. We're going to cook a little marinade sauce first and then barbecue them. So we're going to start off with a little bit of vegetable oil
Okay.
in the pan.
All right.
And we're going to put some rice wine vinegar
Okay. That goes right in.
with it. And then we've got some shallots, and we'll just put those in here as well.
Okay.
And then we've got some lime zest,
That's lime zest. Okay.
and it gives it a nice little
Tangy flavor.
tangy flavor.
Yeah.
And then we've got lime juice as well, so
Okay.
some fresh lime juice.
Right.
And some brown, yeah, we need the brown
Brown
sugar.
sugar.
That gives it the sweetness.
Okay. And how much is it?
That's about 1/4 cup.
Okay.
And then we need a little bit of garlic.
Garlic.
This is about two garlic cloves.
2 cloves, yeah?
Yeah. And then how about some hot sauce
Sure.
in here? I would say, I don't know, a teaspoon or 2.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah. All right.
And then we just need a little bit of salt here.
Is that sea salt? Or
This
that...
is sea salt, yeah.
Okay.
So we just mix this all up and we put it on the burner here and we cook it for about 5 minutes.
Okay.
And then we add
Just to thicken it?
just to thicken it. Yeah,
Okay.
we add a bit of cornstarch to it, and it is thick. Like I'm trying to think, like not Jello, but it does thicken it so that it's not so liquidy.
Okay.
So, with our magic of television,
Right.
we've actually cooked this.
Yeah, this is pre-cooked.
This is pre-cooked.
Right. The same mix was put on the heat for about 5 minutes.
Yes.
Okay.
So after it's cooked, you let it cool down,
Mm-hmm.
and you take half of this sauce and you put your shrimp in there and you let them marinate
In half the sauce.
in half the sauce.
Okay.
The other half you keep, and we're going to put that over top once we've served it.
Right. Okay.
Now we're going to take these. These have been sitting in the marinade for probably, I don't know, an hour and a half.
Do
Maybe.
you leave them in the fridge or?
We leave them in the fridge for
Okay.
sure. And then we soak the bamboo skewers. We're going to put them on skewers.
in water, right?
And yeah, you just put a bit of lukewarm water in a bowl or a dish that can handle the long skewers, and you
Right.
let them soak. And the reason you do this
Yes.
is when you put it on the barbecue, it's not going to cook. It's not going to light on fire.
Oh yeah. Otherwise, because if it's dry,
If it's dry, it'll
gonna
just go
catch
up
on.
in flames.
Oh right, right, yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just going to put a few
Good
on
point.
here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we have some already on the barbecue cooking.
Right,
So we'll see how they're doing.
right. And these don't take too long.
No, maximum 6 minutes on the barbecue. You don't want to cook them too much. They just turn pink. You'll see.
Okay. I like recipes that are fast to cook and taste
Fast.
great.
Fast to cook, and you know, what's that? 6 ingredients?
Yeah, that is
So you
true.
see the difference here.
Right.
These are uncooked,
And those are
and these are, we're just going to flip them over to the other side,
right.
and you'll see that they've turned okay.
Yeah, they're beginning to change color, and I can
Yeah.
see the pinkish tinge of the color in
Yeah.
the shrimp.
So 5-6 minutes on the barbecue,
Mm-hmm.
and then we can taste them. We serve them up with a little bit of rice and vegetables and
Alright.
a little bit of sauce.
All right. Julia's shrimp's got that pink color on either sides, and now it's all done.
It's all done. I served it with a little bit of brown rice and some grilled asparagus. You could serve it with any kind of vegetable and potato or noodles.
Noodles,
or, yeah.
All right. Well, thank you for being on the show, Julia, and thank you for this another easy and great recipe.
Thank you for having me.
You can find out more about this recipe on our website and keep watching the show for more great segments. Thank you, Julia.
Thank you.